Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today it's all about the interior of your Tesla Model 3. As of today, if you order a brand new Model 3 from Tesla, it only comes with one interior color choice, and that's vegan black vinyl. Blah, so plain. What happened to white and tan and gray, and you know how red popular is? Well, I'll tell you, we have the solution. We are now offering our nationwide interior upgrade program using your choice of either vegan vinyl like Tesla or leather. We have a wide range of colors, and this pink Model 3 has gotten a white interior. Let me tell you what's involved with that. It's not a cheap skin that you get at a local automotive shop that just slides on. No, this actually needs to be professionally installed. And we have a wide range of approved installers around the country to help you with installation. Over here, what we do is we spend a full day removing the vegan vinyl interior in its entirety, and then we reinstall these new covers in white leather, as we did on this car, and we offer a wide range of colors. The inserts were perforated. Those are those little holes to help give you that cooler feeling and also a textural difference in appearance. And then of course our insignia. The insignias are these three lines that are on the inside of the seats, and we wanted to go really minimalistic with this one. So the insignia is white as well. So white seats, white insignia, white stitching. A really great look for such an incredible car.